the silence of the night, temptations call my name. Money, power, all try to play the game. Bright lights flashing, voices whisper my shame. But your love's a beacon, keeps me in your lane. I know the world's pulling, trying to make me stray, but your spirit lifts me, shows me the way. Empty praises try to entice. What looks like gold can cost a heavy price. But your name's my power, my eternal guide. In the midst of chaos, I walk by your side. I know the world's pulling, trying to make me stray, but your spirit lifts me, shows me the way. In your arms I find peace, finally I'm free. The world calls, but I know where to be. Your voice is my rhythm, my melody. I won't fall, I won't lose my way, even when the world tries to make me sway. Your grace is my shield, your love is my ground. Holding on to faith, temptation can't bring me down. Temptation fades, but your light remains. My heart is yours, my path is clean.